Just going over to fire up the water pump for the first time off the new well. Pretty exciting. It's gonna geyser or what? Yeah?
No, I'm just gonna tell you.
It's gonna whip if you don't, if someone doesn't hold it. Don't hold it like that. Yeah, that's good.
Right there, okay.
That doesn't seem like a good idea. I don't like it.
Just run if it's too powerful. Run this way. And I'll get it.
Sprays you?
It's gonna be flopping around everywhere if you let go of it.
Really?
Yeah, big time. It's gonna like wipe out my toolboxes and everything.
It's not working. Anticlimactic. That's too bad. Okay, what do I do now? Nothing?
Oh, duh. I gotta put flick this off. I gotta put this thing on.
Because it won't, it just cuts the power.
This is the connector. These things aren't even connected.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
So it cuts the power as soon as you pull that lid off.
You see, this is these two L1 and L2 are coming from the breaker.
Oh, okay.
But they aren't connected to the output down into that line until this thing is on.
Oh, I see. That's handy. Should we be holding the hose?
No, I've got the breaker off.
Oh, okay. Okay, Mom.
What?
Get back out there. No, I'm kidding. I'll do it. Just a second. Oh. Okay. Woo! Ah. Did I get you at all? Ah, sweet. It's looking a little brown coming out of there, but that's just because it hasn't been run yet. Got to get the sediment out. So that's pretty sweet. Nice one, Dad.
Thank you.
I didn't have anything to do with running that. Dad did that all himself, so it's awesome. Here's the real pump wire that eventually will be run, but right now we just hooked it up directly to the shop there just to test her out. So that's a big milestone, I guess. Running water. And here's the drain system coming together here. Got my pieces more or less laid out. I think how I'm gonna run it. It looks a little awkward, but there's a lot going on right in this small area, so it should be fine. The bathtub over there. Guest toilet right there. Master shower drain. Main stack coming up here. Everything's vented off that main stack. That's why it's run like this. Because Mom didn't want too much stuff sticking out of her roof. Yeah, so master toilet right there, and then we got the mechanical room drain here. And utility sink, washing machine. So far so good, I think.